Selling digital products has literally changed my entire life. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Katera, and if you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for all things entrepreneurship and self-development. And I know by the title you're thinking, I've seen everyone talking about digital products, and you might be on one side where you have no clue what digital products are, or you might be on the other side where you've been thinking about it, you've been seeing about it, you're doing your research, but you don't need to see any other video but this one, because I'm about to explain to you literally how they changed my life and how they can change yours as well. Now let's just get into it. Now let's just get into my backstory just a little bit. Now, I graduated from college in 2022. I was in college when all the you know what was going around. I didn't really get to experience my college years like that, so I had no experience really in the workforce. I didn't get a chance to intern anywhere, but I did end up getting pregnant like my senior year of college because I did graduate a year early from college. I walked across the stage 8 months pregnant, guys. And I knew as soon as I walked across the stage that I did not want to go straight into the workforce. I knew that I did not want to put my son in daycare. And I also knew that it was time for me to fulfill my dreams of entrepreneurship, because I always knew that I had an entrepreneurial spirit. But of course, like everyone tells you, go to high school and then go to college and get a degree and get a good job. But I always knew that wasn't my path. So your girl had to figure it out, okay? I had to figure out what the heck I was going to do with my life. And so I started doing a little bit of research. As I was researching, I came across all of the side hustles that you can think of. I tried UGC, I tried surveys, I tried virtual assisting. None of that stuck with me like selling digital products. So your girl, I had to get it done how it was supposed to get done. I started out by investing into a course. I'm sure you've been seeing all of these done for you digital products everywhere. And of course, I will get into that into another video, but that is how I got started. But that is not what I do now. I just want to give you guys a little backstory of how I got started. Now let's just get into how selling digital products has literally changed my entire life. Now, for one, as I mentioned before, I am a stay-at-home mom. So I had to figure out a way to continue to be a stay-at-home mom. Of course, my fiance works, but we all know in this economy, like your girl went grocery shopping today and those prices were ridiculous. Like, who decided that that was what they needed to be? Why are they so high? Why do we have to spend all this money just to eat? So I knew that not only this, I had to help him out in some shape or form or fashion, but I knew that getting a job was not going to cut it. So once I figured out digital products, of course, digital products have not only allowed me to generate income as a stay-at-home mom, but it's also allowed me to stay home with my son, to be with him every single day, to nurture him, and to allow us to continue to grow our bond, because I'm able to stay home. But not only that, I work from home. And it's not a job. It doesn't feel like a job. It's fun. It's something that I can actually do and enjoy while being the best mom that I can be to my son. So that is number one. Digital products have literally changed my life, because now I never have to look to another 9 to 5. Now, the second thing, I have gained more confidence. I've always been a confident person, but it kind of dwindled down as I was just going through certain things in life, as well as becoming a mom. You know, we go through a lot. Our bodies endure a lot. So becoming a mom, I had to regain my confidence. This has grown my confidence because not only have I met so many different people on the same journey, but it's also opened so many doors for me since I have gotten started. I have networked with so many people. They have referred me to their friends, and I have connected with their friends on a level to where we're now collaborating on projects together. We're figuring out how we can collaborate and to grow our incomes together. Not only is it just me, I'm collaborating with people who have been in the game for a while, and they want little old me to be able to work with them and to help them grow their brand as well. So it has boosted my confidence, because now I'm confident in me. I'm confident in my products that I create. I'm confident in my content. I'm confident in all aspects of life, because I have proved to myself that it doesn't matter where you start or what your journey looks like. You have something that people want. You have something that you can offer this world. It's just up to you. Yes, I'm talking to you. It's just up to you to get up and push it out to us. We don't know that you have that to offer. We don't know that you have that skill unless you show us. So once I got up and showed the world my skills and my knowledge, it has boosted my confidence by 1,000%. Now, the next thing, selling digital products is very versatile. You do not have to sell one specific type of digital product. You can sell digital courses, you can sell ebooks, you can sell master classes, various different things that you can think of that allow you the versatility and the creativity to do whatever you want. Anything that you're selling digitally is a digital product. There's so many different ways and directions that you can take your business. It's up to you what direction you take it. Just take your knowledge, put it into an ebook, put it into a course, and there you go. And if you guys want to learn more about digital products, comment down below. I would be happy to help. But also check out the resources in my description on how to get started in various different ways. Now, the direction that I took mine, I chose something that I knew a lot about, a social media platform, and you guys will see more videos about this later on. But because I chose this and because I am so passionate about it, I know a lot about it. And like I said, that confidence boost, now I am able to monetize my passion. I'm able to monetize my knowledge. So guys, just choose something that you love, choose something that you know how to do, and monetize it. And okay, last but not least, the income potential. People do not lie when they say the income potential or the possibilities are endless when it comes to income with digital products, because when you create a digital product, you can price it at whatever price point you want to price it at. This just means that it can be a lower ticket item, such as something that's like $27 to $97, or it can be a higher ticket item from like $100 to $500. You can even start coaching and charging in upwards of $3,000 plus. It just depends on what you want to price it and what you feel that your product is valued at. It's 100% yours. And as long as you know how to market and sell your product to your audience, it will sell. Your people will come to you. Income possibilities are limitless. It has allowed me to be able to generate an extra $5,000 a month for my family. And I've never in my life at any 9 to 5 generated that type of income for my family. Even just coming out of college, me not knowing what I wanted to do, and people telling me that the only way to generate $60,000 a year starting out was good, and I needed to go do that. But there are people in this industry that are making that in a month plus. So listen to your gut, listen to yourself. If digital products have always been something that you have wanted to do, go for it. Do it. And if you need my help, so I also have resources in my description box that can help you get started, but just get started, guys. Whether that's from a digital product that you can buy and resell, or whether you create your own and get started that way. But 100% digital products have changed my life, and I'm gonna continue to sell digital products. I don't know when that's ever gonna end for me. I'm gonna continue to expand this, allow it to be a part of my entrepreneurial journey. Once again, if you guys are interested in self-development, entrepreneurship, because this is a journey and I'm still getting started on it. So I would love for you guys to follow me on this journey to learn and share your stories down below as well. Have you ever thought about selling digital products? Do you have digital products that you sell? Let's network as well, because you watched this video to the end. Now we're all friends. So comment down below, hey friend, tell me what you sell, and don't forget to subscribe. But I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.